Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing and review of a sensor night lamp or a night light which automatically turns on when the room goes dark. So it's from the company GM. This is how the front looks like. So here you can see a sensor night lamp with auto sensing device and LED switches on and off automatically based on light intensity. So what does it mean is when the when the light goes off in your room, you don't have to turn it on by yourself. It will turn on by itself. See here down you can see this is the light sensor. After unboxing I'll show you guys correctly, and the behind if you see here you can see the same thing is written, the company branding they have given, and they have given some tips and important things to read. If you want you can pause and read it. So here down you can see the pricing. Here the pricing is 195. Actually I got it around 150 in a local shop near me. So now without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. So guys, this is how the product looks like outside the box. This is the light sensor which I talked about. So this is what sense whether in the room light intensity is less or more, and according to that it turn on or turn off the night light. So I think inside this the LED is there, you can see down, and here it glows, and behind you can see I think it is for the heat to dissipate, because the light turns on little bit temperature it might get, but I don't think so that much it come because it's LED. Yeah, from here you can see a small LED is there, and inside there are some electric components, and the front this is just the plug where you can plug it. So now without wasting any more time, let's test the product and how it is. So now without wasting any more time, let me plug in the product. So I'm plugging it upside down so that my tube is there, so that light directly falls on the sensor. So whenever light is there you can correctly see it. You can place it the way you want. So I turn it on and see. So now I turned it on, there is nothing, obviously because there is light in my room. You can see that light is glowing, so obviously it won't turn on. So once I switch off this light, it should turn on. See, okay, one more light is there, I turn off that also. So you can see I turn on the light is not working. See, one more thing you can notice, I don't know whether you can see in the video or not, there's a small LED of mine in the room. When I turns on that, the small LED, when I turns on, the intensity of the light decreases and increases. See, example, wait, I'll show you. See, there's the LED is there on the side, so I'm trying to put my shadow on top of it. See, whenever I put the shadow, according to how much light the sensor receives, it glows and increases the intensity. See, example, I completely hides it, intensity is more, but slowly I remove my hand, see, suddenly it doesn't turn on and turn off. According to the light present, it increases and decreases. That's a really good thing. Some of the sensors, how it is, just turns on and turn off. So in this way it saves some electricity also. So I'll turn it off and I'll use my phone flashlight and I'll go to it. So you can see that it turns off. When the light doesn't fall on the sensor, it goes. Again I'll show you. See, slowly I'm putting the light, it slowly turns off. When I removing, it doesn't turn on directly. How much ever is required, that much only it turns on. So I removed it. Now the whole brightness is there. So it is more than enough. Actually, the one we thought was a vent, it is not the vent. It is to give that design, and it looks really good actually. So it gives a reflected design from the behind, and this gives you enough light if you want to wake up at night, go for drinking water or washroom or something. This gives enough light for you to do these activities. and because many of the times, you know, that right after we wake up and too much brightness is there, it will hurt our eyes, and this doesn't do that, and it uses too less electricity. So I turn on the light. So I hope you guys like the video and help you guys to purchase something like this. If you have any doubts, you can always put your comments in the video below, and I'll try to reply it as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.